Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Instapot which I got yesterday night. So let's get into the unboxing. So let's unbox. There is a manual. Ta-da! So, let's open. Ta-da! Can you see, guys? Instapot, nice color, right? I love this color. Not completely black or any other color. Mostly it comes with silver and black combination, and I love this teal blue color, so I got this. So let's open and see. This is unlock and lock button here. So now the arrow points to the lock, so it's locked. I have to rotate and unlock it. We have an extra steamer basket. You can steam your meat, your vegetables, or anything you want to steam, you can steam it. And this one is the warning card. What should you do and what should you not do. And this is the inner container of the Instapot. It's aluminium non-stick coated inside, and it's very smooth, and I love the texture inside. And this is also a warning card, and this is the heating element, and you can't remove this. So you have multiple options here. It's, by the way, it's 4 quarts. It's available in 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, I think so. So 3 is very small for me. 6 is too big for me since only we 3 people are there. So in between I got this 4 quarts Instapot. So here you have pressure cook, saute, and these are the temperatures down and up. And you have slow cook, you have rice, and warm mode, on off, this is cancel, and this is favorite 1, favorite 2 options you can do. Yeah, pretty options, right? You can cook, warm, preheat the temperatures. The first dot will be the minimum temperature, and if all lights are on, it will be the maximum temperature. And you can set timings in this. Pretty good. So I hope this will be a good purchase for me. If not, I'm really worried and I'm disappointed. If it doesn't work for me, I will be disappointed. And this is the condensation collector. The rice you cook or the vegetables you steam, all the steam water will be collected in this condensed water collector. And you have block. That's it, pretty much. So you all, I hope you all enjoyed this Instabox unboxing. So let's meet in the another video. Bye bye.